Ito lang ha. Okay na mo ha.
Hi guys, it's me again, Chani. Samahan niyo ako ngayon. I'm getting ready for GMA Gala. And with Larcy and of course, with Mama Rani. Ayan, nandito na ang aming team lumipad sa Marriott Hotel. Charis lang. Sige guys, abangan ninyo guys yung ano natin, next na pasabog. So here's our final look for GMA Gala. Tingnan nyo guys. The detailed, of course, our stylist here. Pogi. Pogi! Naman.
Fit, up, down.
Yes. See the fit and the shoes from Balenciaga. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Sige yan.
Diba? And of course, lapis ka rito. Tignan nyo to guys. Flower. Diba? Gold yan. It's real gold. It's 80 karat. Diba? And also, syempre, it's linen. Linen, no?
Oh, linen.
Kaya kahit malukot siya, okay lang.
Linen.
Kasi linen siya.
Mayaman.
Kasi gusot mayaman. Parang ikaw, gusot mangyamang.
Manyaman.